Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hello everyone, my name is Jasmeet Kaur. I welcome all of you to the Intellectual Breezes once again. For today's topic, I have chosen this particular phrase, Hakuna Matata, which is drawn from East African Swahili language. It means no worries. This is a phrase which uplifts the spirits. This is a phrase which adds life to the distressed souls. This is a phrase which urges saddened hearts to cheer up and enjoy every moment of this precious life by keeping worries at the margin. This phrase Hakuna Matata got popularity with the 1994 Disney animation The Lion King. But before that, in 1982, it appeared in a Swahili language song Jambo Bawana. This phrase Hakuna Matata is repeated in the refrain of that song. I hope you understand what is a refrain. A refrain is a line or a phrase which is repeated at the end of every paragraph of a song. But it got international recognition with animation The Lion King only. It is prominently featured in the plot of that movie, and a song is devoted to it. And that song, Hakuna Matata, got so popular that it is often played at hotels, resorts, and places appealing to the tourists. The song is picturized on Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba, who are a meerkat, a warthog, and the lion cub respectively. In the movie, earlier it is a philosophy or a catchword or a life motto of Timon and Pumbaa only. But as soon as Simba joins them, Timon and Pumbaa try to cast magic of their philosophy on Simba also. And it really helps Simba in consoling with his tragic past. Really great. But some people interpret this philosophy as negative. Some people say this philosophy hints towards a carefree lifestyle, or it is about running away from responsibilities. But no, according to me, it is different. It is something really good. It teaches to accept problems as a part of life, to stop overthinking, and to be happy in every situation. Moreover, it tells worries can't solve the problems. Only higher spirits can help in overcoming the traumas and tragedies of life. So one should learn to overcome hard times without overstressing oneself. I really like this philosophy, that's why I thought to share it with you. So here I would like to tell you one more thing about this philosophy. In 1978, Australia declared no worries as the national motto of the country. And it was rephrased in 2006 as no worries mate. It represents the feelings of friendliness, good humor, optimism, and mateship in the Australian culture. It is an emblem of goodness and hope. It makes one embrace life to fulfill the deepest purpose. So, in today's, here I would like to end by these words that in today's stress-clouded world, everyone is in need of such philosophies. And if you want to live a life without worries, a happy life, stay connected with Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba. Thank you very much.